What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying, and today's video is an update on some plays that's set to do their thing, guys. But hey, listen, if I helped you out in any way, whether I was help you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Another wild and crazy day in the stock market, depending on what stocks you had your focus on today. The ones I had my eye on, boy, did it give me a run for my money. But again, another day is in the books, which means there was another opportunity to make some money. So like we do each and every video, if you made some money today, please let me know down in the comments below. I'll be down there to show you guys some love momentarily when I hop off this video. But guys, I got some updates for you today that I want to talk to you about. Kicking things off with AMC. Check it out, guys. AMC currently sitting at $57.65, but on the day it was up over 3.5%, in which it closed at. But listen, we have some very strong signs that we need to make sure we make note of, okay, and pay great attention to. Check this out, guys. If I show you and take you over here, as high as 64.02 around 10:20 a.m. we hit, and then we touched it again at around 10:30. Guys, these levels are things we want to see. We wanted to see AMC again clear 60. Not only did it clear 60, it went as high as 64.70. Okay, now the next thing we need to take place is for this play to actually hold and close above 60. It didn't quite do that, but making higher lows is still a good thing, and that's still progress towards the ultimate goal. Listen, as I say to you guys each and every day, if you don't already have this, please get your 125 shares of this at the very minimum and ride this momentum up, guys. You should be making money in this play every single day when you can, or more importantly, at least buying the dips for the opportunities like I just shared with you guys, okay? Some might have thought I forgot. Ticker symbol TRCH, otherwise known as Torchlight Energy, currently sitting at $5.05. Let me know if you guys remember this play. Another home run in the books. I won't even go crazy on this one, guys. This one, Ocugen, I can go on and on about many plays that are silently being hit off the park that you know we were once in, or part of our easy money plays, guys. But listen, like I said, if you made money today in anything, because there's always a bull market somewhere, there's always money to be made. So that's why I preach being diverse, okay? One thing about being diverse, you find winners all over the stock market, okay? And so this is one, and there was plenty others that you guys could have taken advantage of, okay? So that's what I always want you guys doing, is making money. Understand that there's opportunity all over the place. Really quickly, guys, Draftkings got hit with a hit piece today by Hindenburg Research. Again, pouring slander on the company. It knocked the stock price down, okay? They recovered beautifully from getting hit so heavily. However, for those of you that don't have Draftkings, okay, this is a play that, again, you got to use these opportunities to your advantage. When there's blood in the streets, it's time to eat. We love a sale, and sitting at $48.19, you guys got a great chance to get this under $50, okay? I'm currently sitting at 110 shares myself with an average cost of $35.69, up 35% in this play. Was up a lot more before it got knocked down. However, under $50, that's a buy zone. Where it fell to earlier today, 44-ish, I saw it. That was an excellent buy zone. Please take advantage when you see unusual things happen to quality companies, okay? Those are buying opportunities. Don't fall for the okie doke that the shorts and that the Wall Streets tries to pull in terms of manipulating stocks, but more importantly, trying to manipulate your mindset. And last but not least, guys, is Golden Nugget, ticker symbol GNOG. Golden Nugget online gaming is sitting at $13.01. Listen, flat on the day, but they have earnings coming up, okay? I told you this play was $9, $10 in May. I told you this would start waking up in May. Now it's back up to 13. Look for it to begin going higher throughout the summer. I'm talking about 15, then let's see it clear 17, 20, en route to $30, guys. Nothing has changed with this play. Currently sitting at 125 shares of this, 126 shares, average cost of $13.16. Will be adding more on any weakness that I see. So if this come back for any negative news for whatever reason, This play I will buy more of, continuing to build out my position en route to this going to $30, okay? Do the same if you need to, because this is a great reopening play. But listen, on top of that, understand all momentum plays were hit today, and you need to know why. Fed Jerome Powell is speaking tomorrow, and so when that kind of issue, when that kind of event is on the horizon, high momentum plays are usually the ones that take a hit. Just peek at your portfolio, look at what's down, look at what held up, okay? Use that intel to your advantage to understand what might be going on. It's a lot of uncertainty in the market in terms of which way it want to go. Will inflation be an issue? Will inflation not be an issue? But I told you, if inflation is an issue, tech stocks, momentum stocks will crash. If it's not, these type of plays will fly to the moon. You need to be nimble and flexible in your investment strategy so that you make sure you're not caught off guard either way. Up next, guys, is our word of the day, and our word of the day is support and resistance level. Listen, guys, I want to talk to you about some key things you need to know on your journey as investors in terms of, it's a technical thing that you just need to be aware of. It's called support as well as resistance, okay? I'm going to share a chart with you guys and highlight it just so that you guys can see a visual of what we mean when we are, as investors, are talking about support levels or resistance levels, or in the case of like AMC, I kept telling you guys how this play would do, and we need this play to cross over 50. Now they cross over 50. Now we needed to see it cross over and close above 60. Okay, 60 would pose as a resistance level. Check out the yellow line. It's at the top. Okay, those are uncharted waters, uncharted territory for something like an AMC. Just using that as an example. This can be applied to any stock in the stock market, okay? But we need to see AMC show that it can get above 60 and remain above 60, not come down to 57, not come down to 59, stay there, and then it has the potential to go higher. Again, 65, 70, 74, some of my early price targets that I've been talked about for the longest of time, okay? But then support is how far it can go. That's the bottom, okay? If you hear us talking about a bottom, we're talking about support, okay? So you always want to know what your support levels are and what your resistance levels are, because if you ever want to know how far a stock can fall, usually one of the support ranges is where it will fall to. That is also a time that you might want to enter your play in terms of being able to ride it up for the next move it might make. Listen, guys, I won't hold you up. Just wanted to bring out the charts today and teach you support and resistance so that you can have a better idea when you hear that rhetoric being spoke, what's actually being meant. Listen, guys, up next we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Duty Time 22. Hey Chris, thanks for all the great knowledge you have been teaching me and my family about this stock market. You are truly a blessing. Quick question, how do I secure the bag when we hit a correction in my retirement account, which is my S&P 500? Do I hold and just buy the dip, or do I do something different? Duty Time 22, great question, guys. Listen to this closely, guys, because I've seen a lot of people try to panic in 2020 when the COVID crash came upon, and then they saw their 401k or retirement account go down drastically. Okay, let those events happen. Don't you try to touch anything. Don't touch $1. Allow it to go down. Remember, those are buying opportunities. You can be adding more and getting more of what you love at a lower price, okay? So don't touch it and pull it out, because now you're either locking in the loss or you're taking profit too soon, and now you should see a year later all of that has fully recovered and has came back even higher. That is what the stock market does time and time again, and it has done that the 12 or 13 years that I've been investing in the stock market, and it never fails. So don't panic. Do not touch something when it's down. Allow it to come back, especially something like your retirement accounts, your 401ks, and things of that nature, okay? It would all come back. If anything, double down and add more to it, understanding that in a few months it will all recover itself, but you stand and make even more money. That's how so many millionaires were made this year or this past year, because of that. Those that didn't touch their money, not only did they see it go back, it went even higher because your direct deposit was still going in there and able to buy more because everything was so depressed. Then when everything bounced back, you had accumulated so many shares of whatever ETE and retirement account you had that it shot up to the moon, and now people more than ever are sitting at millionaire status inside of their 401k accounts. Listen guys, stay the course. Understand these things are part of the game. You guys gotta really work on the psychology of investing so that you don't make a hasty decision and mess up the bag, okay? Listen guys, if you have questions or comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one. Oh, and don't forget, sign up for the Patreon at the link below. It's live. Let's go.